Hello everyone, I'm Kate and I'm here to walk you through how to change email address on Facebook. From the app, select the three lines on the top right corner over here. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Then you look for Personal Details. If it's not there, you click on See More in Account Center. My personal details is right here, so I click on it. And then you see over here, I click on Personal Details. From Personal Details, I click on Contact Information. And then select Edit. Your email address will appear along with other contact information you have saved on Facebook. Now you click on Add or Edit. Now when you do this, you have a choice between adding a contact or adding an email address, a new email address. So select Add a new email address. Put in your new email address. Click on Next. Now a confirmation code will be sent to your new email address, which you have to input into Facebook. So you copy confirmation code from the message in your email and then you paste it on Facebook and it will be verified and your new email address has been added to your Facebook account. So that is how to change email address on Facebook. Till next time, bye for now.